Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to put your coded website onto Google to create your own website. So first you want to go over to VS Code. You have to download it on the App Store, but I've got it here. It will take you over to here. And you can create a new file. Let's call it demo.html. And inside hello subs. There we go. Now you can go run it, start debugging. So it looks like this. This is my website I've created. So now you want to go to GitHub, or whatever you want to call it. I've got an account. You can go sign up or log in. And once you've done, go over to here and go click new. Now the owner is Devi Coding. The repository name, demo. And we want it to be public, add readme file, click create. Now you want to go to settings. Go right down to the bottom where you'll find GitHub pages. Click checkout here. And over to the source, click main and click save. Now, devicoding.github.io/demo. But before you go to there, you have to upload the file. So go to add file and click upload files. Go to VS Code and click your demo or whatever you made. Now click commit changes. Now look like this. Go over to settings, pages, and go to the website. This might happen for a little bit, but just keep on reloading it. If it's being ready, then you can get a domain. But we don't want to do that yet. Let's go to here, and now it says demo. Reload it a few times, and it should come up. If you want, you can upload the file first before you go to Pages. But yeah, that's how you do that. It's really easy and simple. You can make it store anything you want. And yeah, bye everyone. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more videos. And see you in the next one.